He said it was stress. He said I talked too much. He said if I loved him, I would understand. So I stayed quiet. It started with words. You are nothing without me. No one else will want you. You are too sensitive. And slowly, I began to believe him. I lost my laughter. I lost my confidence. I lost myself. And the worst part, I thought this was love. But love does not belittle. Love does not control. Love does not break you. Abuse is not passion. Silence is not strength. The day I chose myself was the day I stopped surviving and started living.